How to remove zoom profile picture in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your browser. You don't need to go to your zoom app. You don't do this. So firstly what you have to do is you have to go to your browser and then search for the zoom.us. So when you search for the zoom.us, you have to click on the next, and after that you come to this page, and here you have to sign in into your account. And so you have to sign in into your account. So you have to sign in into your account, but I have signed into my account. So firstly you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the my account. So when you click on the my account in the bottom, then you come to this page. So here you can see all this, but you have to scroll down and you have to click on your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, then in the bottom you can see that there is option of delete. So it is loading. I guess the image is not loading, but you can do this. So firstly what you have to do, you have to click on the delete. So when you click on the delete, then there is option delete your profile picture. Then you have to click on the in the bottom you can see the yes. You have to click on the yes, and here you can see my profile picture is deleted. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.